Well, hello everyone. Today we're going to make a video about getting this mower to start. So it's springtime, beautiful day here in Texas, and it's time we start mowing the grass. You're going to go in, you're going to pull your mower out, and you're going to tug and tug and tug, and that thing ain't going to want to start. And why is that? Well, there's a couple reasons for that, but I know the reason for mine, and that is because here in the US, they add ethanol in the fuel, and no matter how many stabilizers you put in there, if you leave gas sitting in there for 6 months or so and it starts to gel up, it's going to start messing up your carburetor. And basically, you got to get that carburetor off, you got to re-clean it. It's almost something you need to do religiously every year when you go pull your mower. But that's not what I want to do right now. Right now, I just want this thing to crank so we can get the grass mowed. I don't have time to pull this mower apart and start messing with it. I need to get this thing going now. So that's where I go and lean on my friend starting fluid. This is just some cheap starting fluid from Walmart. You can get this stuff anywhere, auto parts stores, Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description so you can get some of this stuff off Amazon if you're not wanting to get out into the store. But basically all you gotta do to use starting fluid is you take your breather cap off, and sometimes you don't even have to. Sometimes they'll have a big opening on the side where air comes in, but on this one it comes in around the edges, so you don't have a really good place to get the starting fluid to the carburetor. And you don't need a lot, but when I put it on the first time, I sprayed this filter pretty decent. About that much you just saw. And I'm going to put the cap back on so the filter doesn't just fall out. And I'm gonna try to start it. Like I said, we've been tugging on this thing, it doesn't want to start. A little bit of starting fluid will get you going. You'll get your R done. But again, this isn't a substitute for cleaning out that carb. So get down there when you're done mowing, take some time before your next mowing, pull that carb off, clean it up real good. But if you need to do it, you need to do it now. Starting fluid's your friend. Thanks everyone, hope that video helped.